Hi, Scott again, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of, this is Sharpie marker. I've already started right here, but in many cases, if it's a slick surface and not just regular wood, you can get a dry erase marker and you can go over it and it dissolves the other marker, and you may have to go over it several times. But let's see what that did. Let's see. Just like magic. You can go over that several times and it'll come off. So all those walls and toys and things you have Sharpie marker on, just go over it. Dissolve the old stuff. And it'll come off. And if you work at it, you see if I did that a few times, I'd be able to get it all off. So there you go. There's a way to get Sharpie marker off of your toys. Now here's one that's really had some busy graffiti artists on it. This is plain wood, so what I was going to do is sand it, but let's try and see what this does with plain wood. This has been on here a long time, and I'm thinking it probably soaked into the wood, so it won't come off as easy, but we'll see what it does. We'll try several different places. This black looks like it's pretty solid. We may end up with just a little bit of green added. No. So this is bare wood, and that's going to take sanding. But anything that is painted and is already slick, you just go back and forth, work it in. Give it some time to dissolve, and wipe it off. Now even try a little bit of water. Yeah, it looks like it helped a little bit. So if it's shiny, painted, use a dry erase marker to dissolve it. If it's plain wood, you're going to have to sand it. Have you ever had a whiteboard and you accidentally pick up a Sharpie marker and you write on the whiteboard and then you freak out because you've ruined a whiteboard? Well, there's a fix to this, and I'll show you what it is. You can get a dry erase marker. Well, let's see. Let's show you first that that's dried, and actually I have to use the right side of the eraser. So that's dried on. That's permanent and destroyed. But you get a dry erase marker, and you just go over. Looks like this one's about dead. But you just go over everywhere where you've written, and the solvent in the dry erase marker will erase it. But I'm going to get a different marker because that one was dead. This one will be much better. You just go over the writing, and some of these whiteboards are very expensive. And some of them are like $1,200. And this is a way you can save your expensive whiteboard. So it was permanent, and now it's gone. Hope that helps. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave any comments down below what else you'd like to see. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.